Guess what? Have you ever lost your house keys and felt locked out of your entire world for even just a few hours? Well, that was me with my laptop, my computer, for the last couple weeks, and that's why I've been radio silent with YouTube, and I will catch you up on what it took to get back today. I haven't been on for a minute. I have not forgotten about you. I just had run into some technical issues with my main laptop, and I've been wearing my techie hat for the last 5 days, working on some really the deep guts of the local disk in my machine, and finding all the drives and making sure that the bootloaders boot it back up, boot it into your main operating system to get your day started. So everything is kind of bottlenecked. My YouTube videos, connecting with contractors, connecting with Canva, all the things. And it's not a complaint, it's a state of where I'm at. And it's been positive in the sense that when I go into breathwork every morning, after my walk, after coffee, journaling, it's actually going back into engineering, using that hat again, slowed me down. And it's really been nice to go step by step by step, to just go in deep. And sometimes it's slow, and sometimes it's rerouting to the very last step. Not 15 steps, not branching out. It's very structured. And I guess this video is just, sometimes when there's setbacks, they count it as a blessing. Really do try to see where the blessing is in the setback, because what this has enabled me to do, the focusing on the one thing at a time, is that after my breath work, when I start writing, the clarity is profound, because I'm already in a really slowed state, and I know that the next step is going to be going back and running this lines of commands and code. And not that I want to do that full time again, but there's something nice about the structure of knowing exactly what comes next. It's not to say that it's the total antithesis of being an entrepreneur. We do set up our days, we have a plan for the day, and things can go left and right in all the ways, but it's just nice to know that there's some things that are structured that they can't go any other way. You can set a little structure in your day. Not to say that your day doesn't have a routine, but something that you allow yourself a little bit of predictability. Because I know for me, it's really lovely to have a checklist and to be able to check things off. I'm just one of those people. Hey, whatever the hacks are that gets you motivated and helps you get it done, use those tools, right? And if you can create some structure that feels delicious for you, you feel like you've accomplished something for yourself, that you made some headway, even if it's just 1 or 2 steps out of all the things you wanted to get done, give yourself that. Bye. Guess what? Yes! We got a GUI. It's so nice to see color. And that, my friends, is how you go from locked out to logged back in. Just remember that every challenge is just like a puzzle, and you've got the keys. If you loved this content and this catch up, please subscribe for more tech tales, self-care, and somatic breathwork tips to keep you happy, healthy, and grounded along your journey from 8 to 88. Till next time. Bye.